Hey, what's up guys? DZ here with a quick review on that Tenker camera. This is just a screen recording from my phone because I didn't have an SD card for it right now. And when you record from the phone, it only records in 1080p. But, I mean, look at this quality. This is a really good camera. It's really crappy outside. The lighting's not all that great, but it still takes good video in 1080p. Now, it does do 4K, but only from the camera itself. I give the thing 4 stars. It's worth the $55 that it costs, and I really advise you guys to go get one of these if you need a camera and you want to save some money, you know, something that's a value. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Check us out on Facebook. Check out my boy Jay Drone on Facebook at Drone Days and on his YouTube channel. All the links down in the subscription, so go check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys mean a lot. Thanks a lot. Peace out.